Hi, here's step-by-step guide how to log out from your BlueWallet account. So first of all, let me scroll down until we see search field. And now type in here BlueWallet and tap on this application once you find it. Wait loading. And after that, you can see I have only one wallet. Let me tap on it. And once you're here, you can see 3 dots at the very top right corner. Tap on it. And after that, you can scroll down until you find delete button. Just tap on it. And in the new window that appear, tap yes, delete. So as you can see, my wallet successfully deleted. That's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about BlueWallet.